What's up, guys?
Hey guys.
No, you have to do the what's up, guys with me, Peter.
I have to do what's up, guys. Okay.
Ready?
What's
One,
up?
2, 3. What's up, guys? Yes. All right. So today we will be doing the fidget spinner design challenge. Want to introduce yourself?
I'm Peter, and I started drawing, but I haven't done much. But we'll come up with some ideas and try to make them today.
So we're gonna do a little competition on who can create a better fidget spinner. My background's in environment design.
I'm doing interactive digital media.
So let's see who stands out on top. So I'm team black.
And I'm team red.
Peter's team red. Time to 3D print. So I'll be using this machine, but I have to set it up. Peter's making his laser cut file. It's looking good. These are some of his sketches. Let me get it to focus. This is very unique. I went for a very conventional style. So let's see how this turns out. So Peter and I finished our spinners. Time for judgings.
My hand is sucks. For me, Peter's is more easier.
Okay.
To spin. And it smells good. Anything else you want? More critic?
So, general. Team red, team black.
To be honest, I prefer Peter's.
Okay.
Hello. Critique? I haven't played with these.
Compare.
Oh!
Oh!
That's alright. Oh, I broke it. I can just glue it together. Okay, there's a point reduction there.
So durability.
Durability, okay, fine.
Give it to me. I like how solid this one is.
Strong.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah. That point is better.
Yeah, I like this one. Sorry.
And it looks intact, and it seems spins better.
Make some more,
Obviously.
like different versions.
I don't know because I sent them.
There's
this was something
I can
made
feel some
before.
friction.
Then I sent three of the same. So I sent all 4 of them. Did you break it again?
He got it, he got it.
So I sent all 4 of them. But they don't really say. They're just like,
Today I'm going to talk about
So final vote?
Final vote.
One that you didn't
what my
do that. It's like, you know, I'm just gonna choose.
For the daily
say what you
daily using.
But I like how this is very light. Like this one spins better. It's smooth, but this also feels very air like Ooh.
What is your preference?
If I were to buy sorry Peter. Though I think I'll vote Peter because I'm more likely to buy this one.
Looks like it's a tie, because these judges can't decide. You guys decide. Put your comments down below, alright? Thanks for watching. Peace.